Hi everyone, my name is Javier Carmona, and today I am getting ready to share my incredible and just very luxurious winter vacations plans with you. I really love traveling, especially in the winter, because I usually escape to exotic places that are super cold. It's just a way more thrilling experience than the warm destinations most people pick. My typical winter vacations, I usually head out to extremely exotic and exclusive spots where I can find deep snow and challenge myself. For instance, I often visit the famous Swiss Alps or the remote glaciers of Patagonia in South America. I always travel with my family and my amazing girlfriend Mariana. I adore spending quality time with them in adventurous settings, and I definitely prefer intense snow sports over boring beach trips. I can't I can stand staying in any hotel without top tier 5 star amenities. Period. Usually, usually when we arrive somewhere like Aspen or Chamonix, the temperatures are almost always below 0 degrees Celsius. It's typically freezing around -10. I always pack my custom-made thermal gear and I spend hours practicing advanced skiing on those challenging Black Diamond. This year my plans are already locked in. I'm flying out on December 1st. This time I'm traveling to Zermatt, Switzerland, a famous destination known for its dramatic scenery and its unique car-free village. Zermatt is currently experiencing perfect deep winter condi- conditions. The weather forecast shows that maximum temperature is only reaching about -5 and the minimum 15 at night. It's truly it's becoming a frozen white paradise for activities. We are traveling especially to do tons of snow activities. I am teaching my sister Merari how to ski on the user runs, and I'm challenging my girlfriend and my mom to a contest to build the biggest snowman. We're playing to stay outdoors all day, every day. I'm traveling with my mother Diana, my sister Merari, and my girlfriend Mariana. We're staying in a private chalet inside the luxurious Walliserhof Grand Hotel and Spa Saas-Fee, which is near Zermatt Sea Hotel amenities and capabilities. The hotel is absolutely fantastic. There are amazing thermal spa facilities where we can relax our muscles after a long day in the snow. Specifically, there are several exclusive hydromassage tubes available in the private section of the hotel, and they're in a state-of-the-art gym if we want to work out. Plus, the price includes a delicious continental breakfast every morning. which it's great because we can save a lot of time. We're going to be using the spa every every evening after skiing. It's going to help you recover quickly. I can see the breathtaking Matterhorn mountain right from my suite. What an incredible view to wake up to. A bit to take advantage of the hotel's specialist guides for off-piste skiing. Unfortunately, I can't go paragliding this year because of a knee injury, but instead I am going to focus on cross-country skiing. Anticipating a challenging while I'm anticipating a challenging but super exciting trip in Zermatt. With all the cold and snow, I really prefer these intense, exclusive mountains breaks over any other type of holiday. There's always an opportunity for an incredible new adventure when you can explore the world with your family. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my luxury plans.